This is the Brianet WT01. Trying to walk my crazy German Shepherd. And this is like the lowest setting is what you're looking at. We're going to go up because it's kind of hard to see on the lowest setting. Be great for a tent though. All I did was press and hold the button for about 2 seconds. So there's our second setting. And that's not too bad. It is kind of foggy out here. We'll press it again for 2 seconds and we go up to the next level. And look at that. That's amazing. It's not even full blast. This is a very strong light. I mean, I can see a long ways. I don't want to put that on my neighbor's house. I'll be waking them up. Yeah, that's amazing. Let's go up a little higher. Look at that. Man, that's really bright. There is a garage out there, if you can see it. It's like a barn. Boy, that shoots a long ways. Boy. Can we go up again? Okay, we're back down. So double click goes into turbo mode. I mean, just look at that. That is turbo mode. Turbo mode is amazing. Turbo is way too strong. As you can see, she just washes right out. You hear something back in the bush, you're going to want to use turbo mode to really see it. Those trees are a long ways away from me. Long ways. But I don't see yourself using turbo mode too often. You press it and hold it in, and it cycles through. So the lowest setting, yeah, it's more or less if you're in your tent looking around, you know, or maybe in your vehicle. If I go up one, that's a little better. You know, come on. So, and if I go up the next level, that's a more, I'd say the third setting is a more comfortable setting for walking your dog. Seems to give me the proper amount of brightness. Now it is foggy out here, so that's pretty cool. That was the sheriff that just went by. I'm surprised he didn't stop. Must have seen the flashlight when I was walking down the road and thought, I gotta go investigate that. Because it is like 1 o'clock in the morning. So, I go up another one. It seems to be cutting the fog pretty good. See, if I put the light right on my tarp, it kind of washes it out. That's pretty amazing. Well, if you're looking for a bright light for an everyday carry, you know, put it in your vehicle or when the power goes out. This is the ticket right here. See, I'm showing you my tarp setup there, and it washes it out. because it's such a tight beam. Wow, this light is amazing. Completely amazing. I don't think you're going to need turbo too often when you double click. I mean, turbo's just out of this world. Look at that. Man. It just cuts right through that fog. Like it's not even there. Boy, that's something. And she's not even in the beam. You know, I'm shooting up at a tree. Look at that. That's just crazy. Okay, turn it on. That's high. That's not turbo. That's just high. Wow. Turbos if you see a grizzly bear. That's what that is. Oh, I can't get over that. This would really come in handy if you get a flat tire on the highway. And you just have somebody hold it while you change the tire. And I mean, you would definitely see what you're doing. Boy, it's like daytime out here. And this is 1 o'clock in the morning. You know? See, if I turn it off, I mean, look, pitch black. Go back on. And then we rifle up as far as we can go. Double click if you want to go bright. It's amazing. I can see the droplets in the air with the flashlight. The dampness is just unbelievable because it is foggy. Really easy to use. Button is huge. Find it easy with your thumb. Aircraft aluminum. IPX8. Complete waterproofing. It'll take a beating. You can even drop it 1 meter and it'll keep working, is what they say. They do sell a case if you want to buy the case off their website. It'll clip on your belt if that's what you want to do. I find it just slides right in the pocket. There's no clip on it. It's just a round flashlight with minimum push of the button settings to get what you want. And, wow, that's amazing. Let's go take a look at this on the inside. Okay, let's take a look at the Brynet WT01. The box is very, very well made, I have to say. They did not scrimp on the actual packaging of this light itself. You know, it is made really tight in there, I'll tell you. So, and this thing's beefy. Really beefy. Comes with a couple O-rings, is what it comes with, which is in the bottom. And some instructions. What probably makes this, okay, pretty amazing. Look at the size of that button. I mean, you're not going to have a hard time finding that. You know, it's hefty. It's probably half a pound. This is your charging dock, and it's got like a little rubber on it where it sticks to my desk pretty much. Micro USB cable, and that'll plug into a battery, or even plug into your vehicle if you've got that connection. So that's impressive. This just goes inside the charging dock like so. Okay, as you can see right there, and it just sits in there. So you plug this in and just put it there when you're done, and it'll start charging. The button when it's red, it means it's charging. The button when it's solid green, it's charged. Aircraft aluminum. I mean, the threads on this thing, when I undid it to put the battery in, I wonder if I can show, they're smooth. Oh my God, they're smooth. Okay. These threads are really fine. They are not hard to put on or coarse or anything. Okay. There's the heavy duty battery right there. That is amazing. That's a big battery. The battery does have a connection for the USB cable to charge just the battery if you want. Not sure why you'd want to do that. Yeah. So the flat end here is going to just drop in. You'll see the spring in the bottom, so you know that's the flat end. And then this just screws on the end. And like I said, the threads are so fine. I don't think there's a way you're going to cross thread that at all. All I did was give it a little bit of pressure and screw that on. So the Preparedness WT01, I'll have a link at the bottom. Go pick it up at Amazon. If you're looking, as you can see from the video in the beginning, how powerful this flashlight is. I mean, it lights everything up like day. It's the perfect beam. It doesn't go super wide. You know, there's not a lot of settings to it where you're fumbling and trying to figure it out. And I'll tell you, walking my dog is not the easiest thing. She wants to go everywhere. That made using this light a whole lot easier, is what it did. The Preparedness WT01. Like I said, go check it out on Amazon. Check out all the stats. I really think this is a light that you'll really, really like. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.